Welcome, my name is Black Lotus, your YouTube script kiddie. Today we'll be performing exercise 1 on practicepython.org. Exercise 1 is called character input, and the instructions are to create a program that asks the user to enter their name and their age, print out a message addressed to them that tells them the year that they will turn 100 years old. Okay, and in order to do that, I need a file. So we'll call this one char input. I'll go ahead and copy and paste the instructions and get on with the program. So the first thing I want to do is ask the user for their name and age. For this, I'll just go ahead and ask them for their age. So I'll call this and I'll put it into a variable called user age. So it's equal to int input. Please input your age. And I specifically wrapped it in int because input automatically returns whatever you put in as a string. Now that I have the user's age, I want to do something with it, and I want to calculate the year they will turn 100. So I'll make a function. I will call it char input, and I'll give it an age as an argument, and I will return an integer, which will be the year. In order to calculate dates, I will need to import the built-in module called datetime. And the best way to calculate the individual's year that they will turn 100 will be to figure out the year that they were born and add 100. So I can take today's date, subtract the user's age, and then that will give me the birth year, and then add 100 to the birth year. So let's get the current date first. And I can do that by calling datetime.datetime.today. And from the current date, I can get the current year. And as I stated before, I want to get the birth year by subtracting the current year from the individual's age. So birth year equal to current year minus user age, or just age. And finally, I want to return that year, that birth year, plus 100. Okay, I'll go ahead and separate the import and the function from the rest of the module. Go ahead and indent all this. And I will print out char input with the user age passed in. Go ahead and test this. Please input your age. I am currently 29, so that means I should turn 100 in 2091. So 29. And I get 2091. Okay, so let's make this a little bit prettier. And we'll say year 100 is equal to char input, user age, and instead of just printing out the user age, we'll give it a nice sentence. We'll say you will turn 100 in year 100. Okay, and let's add one more functionality to make sure that the user actually inputs an integer and not anything else. So as it currently sets, this will not run if I put in a boolean or if I put in a string So let's make it so we keep asking the user to input something until we actually get an integer. So we'll say while true. I need to indent this one more time. We'll try. And if the user age is in fact an integer, we'll break and accept. And if we try to convert anything other than an actual integer in string format to int, it will raise a value error. And we'll just politely tell the user, you did not enter a whole number. Okay, that should work. Nope. Well, true. We need colon there. Okay, that works. Let's try a string. And let's try a boolean. Great. So that is character input, exercise 1 on practicepython.org. And there's a solution. Thanks, and I hope you got something out of it.